Hi everyone! If you're preparing for the IELTS exam, particularly the speaking section, you're in the right place. Today we're going to look at some proven strategies and practical tips to help you boost your IELTS speaking score. Whether you're aiming for a band 7 or even higher, these insights will help you communicate more confidently and fluently. So, let's dive in. The IELTS speaking test is designed to assess your ability to communicate in English in real-world settings. It's divided into 3 parts: an interview where you answer personal questions, a short speech on a given topic, and a two-way discussion with the examiner. The entire test lasts around 11 to 14 minutes, and you're assessed on 4 main criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. Now, let's break down some effective ways to work on these 4 areas and really bring out your best performance on test day. Firstly, practice speaking as much as possible. This might sound obvious, but consistent practice makes a world of difference. Find a speaking partner, ideally someone fluent in English, and work on discussing various topics, especially those you might encounter in the test, like describing a place you visited or talking about your hobbies. If you don't have a speaking partner, record yourself. Listening to your own responses can help you identify areas for improvement, like pace and clarity. Next, build your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary can help you answer questions more effectively and naturally. Try to learn synonyms and topic-specific vocabulary for common IELTS topics like environment, education, or travel. However, remember, it's not just about using big words. It's about using the right words, so avoid repeating basic words or phrases. Grammar and sentence structures are key areas where many test takers struggle. For a higher score, focus on using a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Practice by forming sentences that express contrasting ideas or making comparisons, as these structures are often required in Part 3. Try responses like, "While I do enjoy outdoor activities, I prefer staying indoors when the weather is too hot," to show your range in handling sentence complexity. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Pronunciation is crucial, but don't worry. You don't need to have a native accent. What matters is clarity. Focus on enunciating each word clearly and work on problem sounds, especially if there are English sounds you're less familiar with. Use resources like online pronunciation guides or mimic native speakers. Watching English shows and repeating lines aloud is a great way to naturally improve your pronunciation and intonation. Mock tests can significantly help with time management and reducing anxiety. Practice in time settings so you get used to the pace of each section. In Part 2, for example, you're given 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Practice organizing your thoughts quickly and delivering your answer in a structured way, with a beginning, middle, and end. In the test, try to engage naturally with the examiner. Don't memorize answers. Examiners can tell, and it might work against you. Instead, focus on answering in a conversational tone. If you don't understand a question, it's perfectly okay to ask for clarification. This shows your confidence and willingness to communicate effectively. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more IELTS preparation tips. Feel free to share any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Good luck, and keep practicing.